Hikari introduces the guide scissor. The guide is a first scissor with a patented blade design that allows a stylist to cut with extreme precision. A very pointy guide tip enables the stylist to scoop and cut the hair very close to the skin and around the ears. However, the patented guide tip has a smooth inside edge which prevents the stylist from cutting the client or themselves. With a longer bottom blade, the guide's patented tip leads the scissor blade for continuous cutting on a section of hair, giving the stylist awesome precision cutting results. A regular scissor has a sharp inside edge at the tips. If this edge comes in contact with a client's skin or the stylist's fingers, it will cut the skin. However, the guide blade has a smooth inside edge at the tip. This will not cut the skin of the stylist or the client. When doing blunt cutting, the elongated pointy guide tip allows the stylist to scoop the hair for continuous cutting. Because the guide tip will not cut your fingers, it allows cutting edges to be positioned uncompromisingly close to fingers for extremely accurate precision cutting. This makes precision cutting more comfortable, faster, and easier to achieve. Ellipse-shaped finger holds naturally fit the fingers. The dual finger rests add stability and unlimited positioning preferences. By simply flipping the scissor over, you can use the guide blade with different techniques while still keeping the guide blade against the skin. Because the guide tip is smooth, it will not cut your fingers. It allows a stylist to point cut with speed and efficiency. In this demonstration, we slow down the action so you can see that the tips of the guide scissor are actually touching the fingers of the stylist. This would normally cut the fingers or knuckles. The guide works great for any type of perimeter cutting. By pushing the guide tip against the skin and scooping under the hair for continuous cutting, it allows for effortless precision cutting without the risk of cutting the client. The Hikari guide tip allows for the continuous cutting of design lines. Other scissors are limited to the length of the blade or require the stylist to reposition the scissor to connect sections. The Hikari guide tip allows the user to creatively position cutting edges in a variety of angles and angle depths within a section. The Hikari guide scissor, the ultimate tool for perimeter cutting, point cutting, palm-to-palm cutting, slice cutting, and slide cutting.